Hi, welcome back to Padolico Computer Science. And today video we are going to understand basic of Crew AI. Our series is ongoing, but there is some issue with some people. They don't know the basic of the Crew AI. So I have built this notebook for them. So after this video I will share this link in the video description, so you can download and use it. Okay, so this is a part one. I will develop more basic videos so you can understand a use case of Crew AI. Okay, so first of all, we need to install three packages: python.env, Google Generative AI, and Crew AI, Tools. Okay, so simply you just run this notebook shell, and this takes some time, and execution will be done. So meanwhile, you need to set up your security. So you need to come here, click here, and add a new key, give a name, and enable this and paste here the value. So this is the code how you can access this key from the notebook. Okay, so okay, so first we need to import OS, and then we need to import Google Cloud, import user data, and we also need to import .env, import load in one, and call this. And after this we need to load our Gemini key from notebook to local environment, and here we need to check first if the key is successfully loaded or not. Okay, and after that we just import LLM from Crew, and this is the two parameter we need to give. I am using Gemini 2.5 flash, so you can get a free key by going to this website. When you come here, go to key and generate a key for you. Okay, so let check our API setup is totally done or not. So the dependency I already installed, and let's play this one. Okay, wait for the execution. Okay, so this is our this is a basic code how to execute a QALM, and this is we create agent. There is a three important thing: agent, task, and crew. So email assistant agent, we declare role, goal, a backstory, and a LLM we need to pass. Okay, a role is the email assistant agent, improve email and make them sound professional and clear. A highly experienced communication expert, skill in professional email writing. So the original email, my team just went to tell you that the demo is kind of ready, but there is still stuff left. Maybe we can show what we have and say rest in work in progress. Okay, let me know what you think about. Thanks. So this is the email example. We need to rewrite this email in a professional way. So this is a email assistant. We need to create a task. Take the following rough email and rewrite it into a professional polished version. Expand evaluation. This original email we pass here, and after agent we need to assign this agent email assistant a professional written email with proper formatting and content. Okay, so after this we need to create a crew and pass a agent list of agent, but in case we have single one email assistant, task is the single email task, and verbose equal to. So when we create our crew, we need to kick off result and print the result, and this is the result we have. So agent started and take the following email, and this is the email he take, and he execute the crew. Email assistant agent called, and final answer subject demo status update. Dear team, this is email provide as a update currently status of demo. So this is the output the AI give us, and thank you, and this is the complete. No, this is the output we get, status is complete, and this is the output we get. Okay, so here's the final output from the LLM. So this is the final email output. Still work in progress, and please let me know your thoughts on this approach. So basically you see just simple steps, and just in few steps we have set up a AI agent. We need to assign a task and kick off. Okay, so let me know in comment if there is any confusion. I will help you out with that, and in the upcoming basic crew videos we also see some more example, easy and understandable. See you next video.